Alright guys, so I'm going to be doing something a little bit different in today's video. It's not specifically about Bibles or manuscripts or anything like that, but today's video I'm actually going to be trying to do a little bit of a remodel or a redecorating of my office space here, or my studio as well, because I use it as both for work and as for my YouTube channel. So I've had this whitish, grayish color in my office now for several years. When we first moved in, my wife and I, this room was like a pink color, so it looked horrible. And then we painted it just this simple white. I think it's actually technically pale oak if you're curious, but we did this color on here. We like the way it looks, and I do like the way it looks currently in my office. But with me collecting and being more serious about it and having done it for multiple years now, I thought maybe it'd be appropriate or interesting to try and update the color of the walls. So I'm thinking of doing a greenish color to look more like one of those antique libraries. So we're going to see how this comes out. I did some paint samples. Hopefully they look good. We'll see how it comes out. My fear is that it's going to be a little bit too dark. I didn't want it to look too green or bright or anything like that. So yeah, this video is going to be just clips of me painting it, showing what the finished product might look like. What I will say though is this is not a tutorial on how to paint. So some of the steps I'll be taking, some of the things I'll be using is not necessarily something that I would be like, oh, do this as a professional. This is just what I'll be doing and what works for me. So again, this is not a tutorial about how you should paint your space. This is just me redoing the paint in my office. So again, I hope it looks good. I hope you guys enjoy this. Again, it's a very different style, different feel of video than I normally do, but I think it could be kind of interesting, especially if the final result looks a lot better. So stay tuned and we'll see what this looks like. Okay, so I got this one side of the room cleared off. I'm gonna basically paint the room by doing one wall at a time, just moving my items from one side to the other, just so I don't have to take everything out and put it into my dining room area back there. So these are the samples that I did, different greens. I decided to land on this green here. I think it'll look fairly decent. It's not too dark, but not too light. This one up here was definitely way too green for me. These ones I think will just kind of disappear, almost look more like a black color. So I'm gonna settle with this one here. I picked up the paint yesterday. I'm gonna paint this up and see how it looks. Okay, so I've now gotten the first coat done on this wall, and I've edged the second coat already, so I'm just going to roll out the first coat, finish that up here, and then let that dry, and then I'm going to start working on the second half of the room. So far, I do like the way it looks. I have the curtains taken down, so there's a lot more natural light coming in here, making it look a lot more greenish than it probably will look once I have the curtains back up. and covering in that natural light. So I think the color is coming out pretty good. I'm fairly happy with it. So we'll keep pushing along and continue to see what this progress looks like. All right, so it's now pretty late. I had dinner and had to help get the kids ready for bed, so I'm about to do the final coat on this wall behind me. I got all the edging done. Everything's looking really good. I'm actually really happy with the color. I think it'll look better once I get that final coat on, but I'm actually very happy with this. I'm very excited. I'm liking the way it looks, and so yeah, I think this is the right decision. Bye. All right, so I'm finally completed with the painting project of my office space here, or my collection room. I'm really happy with it. The color came out just as I was hoping it would. There's still a couple things I need to do. Like I mentioned, I want to do this door back here, make it look older, either find just a wooden one or give it the wooden look, feel to it. I have these curtains here that I plan to replace. I just put up the old ones so that way the sunlight wouldn't come in and damage any of my manuscripts or Bible items, because sunlight is one of the biggest enemies of antique books and manuscripts, because it just tears away at it and it really is not good for it. All right, so I am finally finished with the little remodel I did in my office here. I got the color that I wanted. I did little things with the doors here. I talked about getting a new door. I decided to just pull the trigger on that and get this new door put in. And so I got one from the store, made it look more like wood, because wood doors are extremely expensive. So I got this door, just installed it. And I also put some interesting hardware on there. It's not as maybe rustic, I guess, as I would like it to look, more medieval, but still put that little metal accents on there just to kind of touch it up a little bit. Did the same thing with the closet door here. I was trying to make it look a little bit nicer, so I am very happy with the way it came out. I also did some new curtains. They are also extremely expensive if you want to get some really nice ones, so I just got some basic ones that are still light blocking, so it keeps the sunlight from getting in the office, protecting the manuscripts and Bible items that I have in here. So yeah, I am very, very happy with the way this came out. I think it looks beautiful, has definitely more of an antique look to it, so I'm Happy about that. That's probably going to be my new angle here for my long form videos. So the next video I'll be uploading will be with this new background. I'm very excited for it. I think it'll look pretty cool when it's all done. But yeah, I'm really happy with it. Like I said, I know this is very different from what I normally do. Most of the videos that I have on my channel are devoted to these manuscripts, these Bible things that I have on display here that I talk about and discuss. And so that is, of course, the main purpose of my channel. But I thought this was kind of interesting, a unique take on this type of Bible stuff. So very cool stuff. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Of course, please subscribe to the channel if you find especially Bible stuff interesting. I may do a couple things like this in the future if I ever try to maybe reproduce a manuscript or rebind a book or something like that. Getting some experience with that. But that's what I'll be doing. So of course, subscribe, check out my long form videos, and I'll see you guys in the next video.